Use the separation of variables to solve the following differential equations. Now the general form of separation of variables is g of y dy by dx is equal to f of x. So we've got two different variables, x and y, and you have to separate them. If you look at this one here, dy by dx is x times y. Although the g of y is on this side, you have to separate the variables in order to solve them. The sort of a general method would be like this. So equations of this type, dy by dx is equal to f of x, can be solved by separating the variables. So you've got g of y dy by dx is equal to f of x. Now you remember the general rule of solving equations is whatever you do to one side you must do to the other. So we can integrate both sides with respect to x. Normally there's a step before that you do this, and we'll look at that when we look at this example here. So integrating dy by dx is equal to the integral of f of x dx. Now you might see here we're going to end up with simplifying this side. We're going to have the integral of g of y dy is equal to the integral of f of x dx, and this then you can integrate with respect to y, and there you can integrate with respect to x. Let's see how it works. Finding the general solution of dy by dx is equal to x times y. We've got a function of x, a function of y. What we need to do is take the y part over to this side of the equation. So by doing that, this now becomes 1 over y dy by dx is equal to x. Now we integrate both sides with respect to x. So integrating this side with respect to x, we get 1 over y dy by dx is equal to the integral of x dx. Now normally this step might be missed out. So here we can see we're going to end up with the integral of 1 over y dy is equal to the integral of x dx. The integral of 1 over y is going to be ln of y, and the integral of x is x squared over 2, but we have to introduce a constant of integration plus c. Now we need to rearrange this, so we're using log to the base a of b is equal to c, means b is equal to a to the c. We can rearrange this as y, which is b in this case, e to the x over 2 plus c, and then we can use this idea that a of x plus y is the same as a to the x, a to the y. So we have that y is e to the x squared over 2 times e to the c. This gives what's known as the general solution, which is y is equal to a e to the x squared over 2, where a will be equal to e to the c. Obviously this will just be a number, a constant, so this is called the general solution of this particular equation.